Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. This is what happens when you leave your clapboard outside in a typhoon. Okay? So, what I gotta do is I gotta transfer everything from here to a new clapboard, pretty much. Okay? And we're also gonna go through some more filming with the Fujica ZC 1000, including the Z800 and some other filmmaking stuff. So let's get started on that. Alright, so I've got a clean slate here, so to speak, and I'll just be transferring some stuff on here. So let's get started. What can we do here? All my typical stuff on the back of here. Let's just start with the easy things. Okay. I don't know if it's going to take well. That's what I need right there. There we go. You might think, well, why don't you just put new stuff on here? Well, quite frankly, it really doesn't make too much of a difference. If you're doing this yourself, you'll find out why. I may be pulling some cardboard off of the back of here like that, but the end result is the same. I take this masking tape off and I peel it back right there, so once I put it on the clapper, all I gotta do is peel it up just like that with ease. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you see how that works. This piece I had to make a new one. That's a 6, so I'm gonna make a new 6. Okay, done. And there I go. And this one's for the history books, just to keep in the studio, right? Moving on. And yes, as you probably noticed, I had to go ahead and replace everything. It was all just dried up and gooey. Alright? So, what is the difference between the Fujica ZC 1000 and the Fujica Z800? Well, the ZC 1000 is a long distance panning camera. Okay, this is essentially what this camera is for. Okay, and it's great for that. You can get a little bit more close up, but it is essentially for much longer distances and panning. The Z800 is for quite a bit more close up. Alright, so this will give you an idea of what you can do. You really want both of these in your arsenal. Okay, that's why both of these are loved so much. Alright, so what I was going to do is come out here and film a part from my movie, SIJS All About Choice. I went to look for the prop and I can't find it. It turns out my family figures out and they believe it's bad luck and they threw it away. And so I just got to get another prop, the same one just like that one. Okay, but at any rate, I was going to use the Fujica Z800. Film straight down, fairly close up on that prop and just get the shot. Okay, set everything right here to manual. Just pull that out just like that, and I can move that around and set it the way I'd like, as I've shown before. Alright, and that's just it. But until next time, I have to get that other prop. Alright, today, so everyone, that's it. Make sure in closing that you also have several units, same models, of the camera of your favorite, so you can get used to it, get accustomed to the inside and outside of it, and make repairs yourself. That's one of the first and foremost things that you do want to have on you. Alright? With the cameras that you mainly use in your arsenal. It really, really helps out, and it's a big money saver. and you get all that on your mind for the inside and outside of your camera. It's just going to serve you well each time. I wanted to go through a bit more things in this video, but I couldn't, simply because of the noise factor. The area that I'm at is just really noisy and that type of thing, plus my prop. You know, again, my family just believed it was bad luck and just finally just took it and threw it away. You know, so I just got to find one of those props and just get another one. Nothing bad, it's just the way people are here. They see one thing one way, and then someone believes another way, and they're going to take it and get rid of it, regardless if you're going to use it for a film or not. Alright, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.